Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told to factorize 9 minus 36x squared. So this is a simple algebra. To factorize an algebra simply means to find two or more algebras that can multiply themselves to give the algebra in question. So in order to do this, we are going to apply difference of two squares. Okay, so looking at this, we can see that 9 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square. What is a perfect square? A perfect square is a number whose square root is an integer. Remember, an integer is a negative or positive whole number. So 9 has a square root of 3. Okay, so any number whose square root is a whole number is a perfect square. So if you look at 9, 9 is a perfect square. If you look at 36, 36 is also a perfect square because the square root of 36 is 6. So what we're going to do, we're going to convert 9 to 3 square, and we're going to convert 36 to 6 square. So let's do that. Solution. So we have 9 minus 36 x square. So this will be equal to 3 square minus 6 square x square. So 3 square is the same thing as 9, 6 square is the same thing as 36. Looking at this side, we have 6 square x square. The powers are the same, so we can put the base in the bracket and write out a single power. So this will be 3 square minus, bringing the two bases together, we have 6x square. Okay, so this is also the same as this. If you want to expand this, you're going to do square of 6 and square of x. So it's still going to give you 6 square x square. Okay, so now let's look at the next step. We can now apply difference of two squares. So difference of two squares states that if you have two numbers in the form a square minus b square, so this is the same as a plus b into a minus b. You can also write it as a minus b into a plus b. The same thing, okay? So a square minus b square is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b, or a minus b into a plus b. So let's compare this with this. So instead of having a square here, we have 3 square. Remember, minus, minus, and instead of having b square here, we have 6x square. So we are going to apply the difference of two square in this. So let's do that. So instead of having 3 square minus 6x all square, we are going to have 3 minus 6x. We are using this into 3 plus 6x. So remember, our a here we have it as 3, our b here we have it as 6x. So here we have a, instead of a we have 3, and we have here b, instead of b we have 6x. We have been able to factorize 9 minus 36x squared to give us 3 minus 6x into 3 plus 6x. Remember, to factorize an algebra means finding two or more algebras that multiply themselves to give you the algebra in question. If you multiply these two algebras, you are going to get this. So this is the simple answer to this question. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.